Hello and welcome. This is Bijan Hoshiar. Computer networking has changed in a very short period of time. Today's networks are borderless. Common networking practices include online collaboration, bring your own device, video communications, cloud computing, smart home technology, powerline networking, wireless broadband services. Internet has changed the way we live, play, work, and learn. Today's networks are converged networks. Converged networks use the same infrastructure to transmit data, video, and audio signals. They come in many different sizes, but regardless of their size, they have common components. Common components of converged networks include devices, media, and services. Devices could be either end devices or intermediary devices. End devices initiate and receive communication. Intermediary devices interconnect end devices. Media is used as data path from one device to another. It could be made of copper in case of twisted pair and coaxial cable. It could be made of plastic or glass in case of fiber optic. Wireless is another type of medium. Services are procedures and policies configured on intermediary devices. There are both client-server and peer-to-peer networking models. In a client-server model, there is a role separation. Devices can act either as servers or clients. There is centralized administration, and it is more secure and scalable than peer-to-peer networking model. In a peer-to-peer networking model, performance is slow because devices are acting as both servers and clients. It is easy to set up. It does not have any centralized administration. It is not as secure nor as scalable as client server. Networks differ from each other based on their size, the area of coverage they have, number of users they provide service to, and the number of the services they offer. In general, there are local area networks with limited geographical coverage area and wide area network with large geographical coverage area. A WAN interconnect isolated LANs by using services of a service provider and incorporating technologies, broadband technologies such as DSL, cable modem, and leased lines. Variations of LAN include VLAN, SAN, WLAN, and PAN. Variations of WAN include MAN and VPN. To access internet from home or a small office, following broadband technologies can be used: DSL, cable modem, cellular, and satellite. Businesses would use dedicated leased lines, Metro Ethernet, business DSL, and satellite to connect to internet. Accessing internet requires services of a service provider. There are both physical and logical topologies. Physical network topology identifies physical location of intermediary devices and cable installation. Logical topology of a network identifies devices, ports, and IP addressing scheme for that network. Logical topology could be the path that data travels on from one device to another device. A reliable network will have fault tolerance by providing redundancy. It must be scalable for future growth. It must be secure and protect the assets and it must prioritize by providing quality of service. If a network has those features, that network is considered as a reliable network. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and you found it informative, please don't forget to recommend it to others who may be interested. Thank you.